I've sold a number of apps already. In fact, I made 14,000 in the last 2 weeks.
Zapable is one of my favorite softwares. It's got everything that you need to build a great app.
In a nutshell, Zapable is a mobile app building platform. And in the last 4 weeks, I've been able to build 4 feature-rich mobile apps.
I believe I created my app within maybe 24, maximum 48 hours. Plus, I'm super creative, so Zapable definitely fulfills that craving.
I have used the app for school systems, dental offices, medical practices, and spas.
From golf course and coffee shop to an outdoor activity park. I need to add at this point, I'm not a developer or a coder at all. Zapable is very, very easy to use, and the training on the Builder portal is absolutely brilliant.
As far as the industries, I'm sticking with coaches because they are able to see that I have an app. They are able to see how it works already because I've created it for myself. So it's super easy for them to say, hey, Rosa, I would like to know more. Can you please create an app for me?
I've been building apps for chiropractors, day spas, medical spas. There was a restaurant I built an app for. It's got everything you need to build a fully functional app that also looks great.
It offers a whole host of features like a digital loyalty program, integrations to external apps like Messenger, Zapier, and PayPal, push notifications, track and trace form features, and it's got a commerce feature which for me is amazing. It allows you to load your full restaurant or coffee shop menu.
And I've used in all my apps is the click to call, maps, links to external web pages, their loyalty program, and the ability to customize every app.
I think my favorite feature is probably the ability to sell products, just physical products. Like for my chiropractor clients, they can sell supplements, CBD products, things like that. It's like having a store right on their patient's dashboard at all times.
I mean, if you're not techie, like I'm not necessarily techie, there is so much training on each feature that is actually easy to navigate.
I find the community very helpful and appreciate all the input that everybody in the community has given.
The team at Zapable are phenomenal and are constantly working non-stop to add more and more features to the offering almost daily. They absolutely know their stuff when it comes to support. The few support tickets I've raised, I've always answered on the same day. And finally, the community of Zapable customers in the private Facebook group itself is an asset.
It's a super service to offer.
So, and as far as the Zapable family, the community and everything you offer, it's amazing. Excuse the noise, but it's amazing because I know that we have the support center that we can email for any questions. But I also know, I know that if I post a question in the community, they will be quick to respond.
In our agency, we could probably do about 100 apps in the next 12 months. And that would generate about $350,000.
Personally, I would recommend Zapable all day long.
Overall, Zapable is amazing. The community is amazing. The platform.
Zapable has a great support team, and I really look forward to the future because I know it's going to be great.